For make pizza we need dough ball, flour, mozzarella, tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese, basil and olive oil. And put the pan on the top for get it hot. Now we can concentrate on the pizza. First thing, take the flour, put on the bottom and a bit on the pizza. Take the dough ball, put on top and stretch it. How to stretch it? Put the finger together and slowly press on top. Turn it around and make it again. Perfect. Now you need to stretch slowly like this. Close and open your finger for stretch it. Put the pizza on your hand, move the flour on the side and slap pizza on the table. And now take the pizza and put it on the hot pan. Now slowly add all the ingredients. We need to start with tomato sauce, so put a spoon of tomato sauce. Olive oil, Parmesan cheese and basil. Amazing. After a few minutes, check it on the bottom and let him cook until got
Golden.
golden,
Yeah.
golden brown.
Yeah.
We will put the mozzarella. So pizza is ready. And enjoy it. Nice, crispy, cooked well on the top, on the bottom. Perfect. Enjoy. Ah, too full.